God bless America, twice. By the way.
Hi, we're WHM Motorsports. Welcome to the World Championship races in Key West.
Pretty decent rollout. Sailor Jerry got a good jump. You know, all you can do is stay in it, keep in it, and hopefully you push them to break, which is what we did.
Phenomenal run.
It's called a lot of years of experience doing it.
Yeah, war of attrition, and you won.
Yes, that's usually the way it works.
What was the weather conditions out there?
I think it was a little windier than the other day. The wind was actually blowing the opposite direction, but you could run the same speeds. You just coming in the harbor, you could fly the nose a little better. It was good. It was fun racing water.
Pretty good setup.
Excellent setup. Both
Fantastic. Days. You guys are rocking and rolling, doing a great job all week right here at the Superboat International Offshore World Championships. We'll see Sunday. Keep them things going and hammer down, boys.
36 years in Key West. That's an accomplishment. So you know we are here, and we're not going to be forgotten. And we appreciate all you fans coming here and seeing us. And I love you the best. But we have lost some very good brothers and sisters down here. But I brought you something that makes it humble and humble. This is the best. And if you all want to see a good race, I can't compare my race to Key West, but come to Fort Jeff on Long Island. It will be what you see right now.
Great day of racing here in Key West. It's the best place to ever race, I gotta tell you. And Billy drove a great race, and the competition was awesome like always, so really unbelievable day.
WHM trying to run them down as they come through one more time.
Look at all the people out here.
Key West is the hardest place in the world to like walk into the last day and think it's all good. WHM had a good day today, and I thank that guy up above. We had a good day. You know, last day is going to be war.
Green. All right, green flag. Here we go. We are going racing.
Big one, right? Big one.
Upside down, turn one, upside down. Medical is being deployed as we speak. Upside down, turn one, upside down. Medical is being deployed as we speak. And they're making a pass by WHM, oh my goodness.
What's the most important thing about Key West? My teammates and me. My teammates and me.
We got a first and a second. Come Sunday, we'll be world champions. You watch and see. World champions on Sunday, man.
Key West is the Grand Prix, the Indianapolis 500, the Daytona 500 of the offshore powerboat racing. It's just the best, man.